Oh, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little artsy fartsy piece there. Something I would have done probably back in college. And I was picking up a few things. My wife's at a nail appointment, and so I have a couple hours to kill. And yeah, decided to do that. Head to the Walmart. Thanks to them for not kicking me out for being weird. If you guys are first timers, you're probably thrown way off. That's not the norm here at the channel. I don't do artsy stuff, really. I just do vlogs, but hey. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, comment below. I'd love to talk to you guys. And please hit the button to subscribe. I can't grow this channel without you. And that's the point of YouTube, right? To continue making videos and to continue having more people show up. Appreciate everybody who already has. Also hit the bell for notifications so when I drop a new video, you guys basically get told, however that works, that it's up and it rings and dings or tells you something. I don't know fully. Anyway, guys, it has been fun. My wife is almost done. I think we'll catch you on the next one.